has center X and center Y is at 0, it'll always stay right in the middle. And if you make it a little more complicated, for example, you have two child views. You see up there, child views now says label V1 and label V2. The one is in the bottom right and the other one is in the top left. So it says the offset from each corner. And if you resize this window, they'll always stay in the corners. And so that's how you build up your UI. You can, another view can have child views again, and so you can nest them and whatnot. How do you hook up the UI with your code? You use bindings. And bindings are a technique that I talked about earlier that eliminates the glue code you have. You normally would need to keep things in sync. So if you have a model and it changes the value, you would have to see all these changes. So I have to go into the DOM, find the element, update the text of that element. And if I change it there, I have to wait for that event and see all the text changes. What is the text now? And I have to update that. With bindings, you don't have to worry about any of that. You just hook it up and then that's that. And let's look at a small example. Let's say we create a class called foo that has a property getText. And we create an instance of that class foo called the next Facebook.bar. Our UI looks like this. We have a label view that just displays the value, and we have a text view. And how do we bind all that up? With a property called value binding. So we say the label view is bound to gray text, and the text field is also bound to gray text. And then it all is magically connected. And let's look at